In this video, we will be learning about how important it is to make careful observations when performing a scientific experiment. Being able to make careful and accurate observations is the foundation of any lab-based science class, such as chemistry, biology, or physics. The ability to make observation allows scientists to collect and draw conclusions about their experiment from the data. Sometimes even the smallest observations made prove to be crucial to drawing accurate conclusions from the results of an experiment. Just because the observations are not obvious does not mean that they are not important. Consider the following. When measuring the volume of a graduated cylinder, the volume must be read from the bottom of the meniscus, not the top. When determining the mass of an object, it is much more accurate to use an electronic balance than a triple beam balance. Electronic balances are accurate to the hundredth or thousandth of a gram, while a triple beam balance may only be accurate to the nearest gram. Careful observation is also important when handling chemicals, to make sure the right one is selected. For example, sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate look identical and sound about the same, however they are very different chemicals. It is also important to be able to observe how chemicals react. Did they bubble? Did they make a sound? If so, what kind? Was there an odor associated with the reaction? Also, did the container the chemicals were in get hot or cold? These are all important observations. Now that you are familiar with the importance of making careful observations, it will be easier for you and your classmates to conduct investigations, collect data, and draw valid conclusions based on your results.